security of the customer database, and as well as user friendliness of the software, and the areas what we require, whether they're touching those particular areas, and how it is going to be very friendly for our usage. These are some of the areas like we want to check his software thing, and he has given us a demo version wherein we started using this demo version. Then after using for a couple of months, then we thought this is the best software which we are looking for. When we started using this software, since almost 1.5 years we are done, and we thought it's not only for detailing, it is covered every part of automobile sector. That is what we observed. But so far as the modules are concerned, we are using the modules which are required for us. So far as technically is concerned, whenever we just raise a complaint, if it is in online, they are doing it immediately. And if it is physically required, they are within a time of, we have got a 6 to 12 hours, they are attending it and we are getting it done back. And when they are introducing new things into that, so we require training partners. So they are again is arranging us an executive to come down and explaining all the staff and me also.
When we started, we were using like bill books and all those, but after that my friend is into software. He designed a software for us. We used to keep records on that, but it is not that useful.